back with my Thoughtful Thursdays. And today's Thoughtful Thursday is different because it is going to be my 100th video. And I'm so joyful and also actually deeply moved because I've been able to do all of this. And if you want to know the title of this story, it is From Awkwardness to the 100th Video. And why do I say it was awkward? Because I never actually sat out to make these videos. I didn't think I was going to make them. And if you've seen what my initial videos looked, I was nervous. I was always wondering whether I should do it, not do it, scared, run to the loo, come back. And if you know Priyanka, who's been my partner in crime for all of this, I've been chewing her brains ever since as to whether this will work, not work, how will I sound, should I do it, not do it. But what was interesting is how this journey started. And that's what I wanted to share, because I'm sure there were many people like me who overthink and say that maybe others do it and maybe I shouldn't do it. And it all started by the birthday gift that I received, The Artist Way by Julia Cameron. And that book was fantastic because it healed me. Because if creativity has to happen, it requires healing. And I went through that process because that book is actually a workshop. You have to go through that entire step-by-step process that she has laid out. And I was very committed because at the end of the day, I knew something magical would happen. And she said, if you really want to do this, write 3 morning pages. And actually it is 3 morning pages. And I know the fancy words today are journaling and emptying yourself out. No, 3 morning pages, and I do it every single day. And it healed me, and I kept pouring myself in these pages. And, you know, the skeptic in me said, like, really, is this going to work? Is this going to work? Is this going to work? But today, even when I was thinking about what I'm going to say today, as I kept writing, it just became clear. It was almost like I could see that I was going to do Thoughtful Thursdays. I could see myself talking. I could see the ideas bubbling up, brewing. And I said, oh my God, I have all these thoughts. And I have to capture them. And I have to share it with the world. And I said, it doesn't matter if only 3 people listen to it. And I was fine with that. And I'm so happy that I've got so many well-wishers today, because so many people say we wait for Thursdays and we wait to listen to you. And now when I look back at that journey, I said, wow. And it was a good thing, right? That I took the courage to just show up every single day to get this done. And that didn't stop me, because you know that when the pandemic came, I said, ouch, damn, what am I going to do? This is going to stop. Thoughtful Thursdays is going to stop. And I remember Priyanka said, nothing doing. You have a phone, you have a camera, we'll figure it out. And I really want to thank Keith, my husband, from the bottom of my heart, because the tripod stand came out. We created a studio at home and we were there. And today my friends call me up and say, you are relentless. But I actually had written a word for myself called unstoppable. And I think I stood with that word. I'm going to do it, irrespective. And I'm so overjoyed because the pandemic teaches you many things. And I think I evolved through the pandemic. I was able to reach out to people. I was having a lot more of these interesting conversations because they sparked the thought. And the thought need not have been all about brand and businesses. It was about people. It was about leadership. It was actually about what was going on. And a friend the other day, she asked me, can you do and talk about how you do all of this? And guess what? I planned it on a Thursday. She said, "You're so in love with Thursdays." I said, "Yeah, I'm in love with Thursdays." And my friends, I'm in love with Thursdays for one simple thing. When I do this on Thursdays, it tells me that I need to pause. I need to slow down. I need to cherish what life has given me. And it's wonderful. And that's why I love Thursdays and I love corporate.